pinching in your shoulder, could be from slouch posture, too much overhead weightlifting. Well, the pendulum exercise could be one good way to help eliminate some of that pinching, as it's going to distract the humerus and help loosen up that glenohumeral joint. Just grab you a small weight, anything 5 to 10 pounds, you don't need to go anywhere above that. Get you a support, get an athletic stance against that support, let that weight pull the shoulder down, and then just start rotating the arm in circles, getting bigger and bigger with each one. You should feel a good stretch through the shoulder. After you've done that for 10 to 20 circles, stop, start small again and go in the other direction. Letting that weight distract the arm down, feeling that nice stretch. Try those 2 or 3 times a day and see if that helps with that pinching you have in the shoulder.